Today we're going to do a soap, and it's scented with diamond and pearls. I went ahead and did my base, did my color, and added my fragrance. We put a little glitter on the top. So I'd have everything done so we could try and get it unmolded. And I made the little diamond embeds ahead of time. So we're going to start, and I'm going to pour just a thin layer of clear base on here. Spritz it, and maybe add just a little bit of glitter. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the diamond in the middle or do it on the side, so I think I'm going to try it in the middle. And then maybe do our little pearls on the side. Sinking down in there. Okay. Get that even. And then we'll go ahead and spritz it again. And we'll continue with the rest of them. I know when I watch other people doing videos, it's like you're trying to get everything even and you're like, you're missing one. You need to put one over there. And it's kind of hard to see when you're doing the back of them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spritz it. And I'm going to add just a little more glitter to these sides. My brother told me he was tired of my blue gloves, so I ordered some pink ones. But they look a little more peach to me than pink. But we bought 100 pairs, so we're going to be wearing them for a while. Okay. it. We'll go ahead and spritz that. Give it a little bit more glitter on the sides. Okay, and I'll come back when it's hard and we'll unmold it. Okay, I think we can unmold it. You know, this looks more like a winter soap instead of a summer soap. It looks more like snow in here in the snowflake. Maybe we're going to have to rename it and use it for winter. And it sure don't feel like winter here in California. We've been 103 degrees and the other day 105. I'm going to take and move it over here so I can pop them out a little better. Okay, here they are. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.